Hello guys, what's up? What's going on? Today we are going to fix the issue related to the NVIDIA Virtual Audio Device, which is not working. But don't worry, I got you covered. In this video, we will go through easy steps to fix it and get your audio back on track. There's only a few steps you can follow, and hopefully your problem should be resolved 100%. What you need to do here, first of all, you will see here the speaker icon, right? Just click on that, and then you will see here another option. Select a sound output where you actually want to hear the sound. So make your NVIDIA high-definition audio is listed over here if it's not, which means probably you disable the NVIDIA output device, or maybe your driver is not installed. So in that case, you need to install the drivers. Otherwise, you need to choose here the NVIDIA high-definition audio and check it out. Hopefully it will work. A lot of people don't know. But maybe this is not a proper fix, of course. And there is another reason. Again, click on this. This time, you need to click on this setting icon. All settings. Once you are here, you will see here the sound, just click on that, and then you will see here the output right now in the output. You will see all the output devices, like your NVIDIA high-definition audio. And probably the NVIDIA high-definition audio means your graphic card is transferring the audio into any device like your monitor, LCD, or even TV. So in that case, make sure the cable is HDMI or DP, because the HDMI and DPI on this board audio. And the second thing is when you see here the NVIDIA high-definition audio, just click on this and make sure you will see. Here, allow app and Windows to use this device for audio. If you are seeing here, don't allow, which means probably your device is allowed and it's working perfectly. But in case if you are seeing here like allow, which means your device is disabled. So you need to enable from here. If your device is not listed over here, which also cause, maybe you just disable it from here. Somehow. Or even though you can enable it from control panel, just type here the control panel. And then sound. Once you are here, simply you need to find the playback devices, and then make sure the NVIDIA high-definition audio is enabled. Like this, not like this. It means it's disabled. Or even like with red down arrow means your device is not connected properly. Maybe it's cable issue or something. But if it's black arrow down 1, which means it's disabled, just right. Click on it and enable it. And then, of course, you can set as default communication device if you want. But in my case, I use the other one. This normal, guys, you can just change your device from here. Just choose your NVIDIA high-definition audio, and it will work. Now, another thing is make sure your driver is up to date. What you can do here, click on the Windows search icon, then Device Manager, and then open it. Once you are here in the Device Manager, you will see here the audio input and output. Expand it, and then make sure your device is listed over here. And then click on the Update Drivers, and then search automatically for drivers. Now, in case if you are seeing the best drivers for your device are already installed, which means you don't need to worry about this. Your drivers are up to date and you can just uninstall it and then restore your PC. This will also fix your problem. It will reinstall your HD drivers and yeah, it will fix the glitches or bug whatever you are facing with, and it will resolve that issue. And the last thing is some LCDs actually have input audio settings. I mean, you need to go into the LCD menu setting and then make sure your audio is not disabled from there. So make sure enable it and your problem should be resolved. I hope you love this video. The last part is most common. If you are using the NVIDIA GeForce, then open it and you can also make sure that you are using the latest drivers. Of course, drivers comes with your audio drivers, comes with your graphic card drivers. So in case if you don't have the device listed over here, then you need to update your driver as well. And if it's not working, then also you need to try to update your drivers. Of course, it will fix your problem if you update your drivers from here. So, yeah, that's it for today's, guys. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comments section. I'll guide you further. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye. Bye.